If you feel your voice are being unheard, then come and connect with us. We are Latwas.
Washing machine. Why washing?
In the video, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and AITC Supremo demonstrate a classic form of protest against the BJP. As stated by the party, the opposition is continuously persecuted by central agencies while the BJP is in power. However, as soon as an opposition figure joins the BJP, they are suddenly as innocent as a lamb. This is how the BJP washing machine works, the party stated.
Washing machine. 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 Washing machine.
If you feel your voice are being unheard, then come and connect with us. We are Latwas.